Hey everyone, I wanted to show you what you get when you purchase a marketing kit. There's a lot of things that are, a part of the marketing kit. Main thing is a property website, along with social media flyers, social media tiles, flyers, things of that nature. So we'll walk through that. Also wanted to let you know these are ordered a la carte, so you can pick and choose with what property you want to order these with. Some people order them for every property and use these as an inventory website, so everyone can see all their properties that they have listed in one place. And some people will, again, pick and choose, and depends on what type of property they have and how they want to market it. So first thing you'll notice on these marketing kits are the website links, which I just talked about. So you'll have a branded link and an unbranded link. And again, these are all links. So you can click these here and it will bring you to those property websites. So here's one I clicked on. This is a unbranded. On the branded, you would see the contact information for the agent. But on this one, we're just going to walk through and kind of give you an idea of what this looks like. And keep in mind that these can all be edited. So if you need to match your brand with a certain color or you want a different type of style, there are some different things that we can do to help match you up with what you currently do or would like to do. So you'll notice there is a slideshow of sorts on the top with the photos that come along with the property. You can change this just listed, to sold or some different templated um, phrases. You scroll down here. This one has a Zillow 3D home tour. So these are great, and again, these are all embedded into the property website, so you can actually click through right here. So you have all your media in one place, and that's really what's important with these. So people can not only look at the photos, but they can look at, a Zillow 3D home tour, and they can also look down at the description. If you just keep scrolling down, the list price, the bedrooms, the bath, square footage, even the schools, and maybe some local information about the actual neighborhood. You'll notice also the photo gallery. So these are going to be all the photos that are going to be associated with this property. So you can scroll through these, and you'll notice when you hover over them, you'll be able to tell what room it is. You can also click on the picture if you'd like a better view and click through. If you scroll down more, this one also includes a floor plan as well. And again, this is an unbranded, but if you did have a branded, you have the contact information down here for the agent. You can also embed any type of video on here as well. So if you had, a business card video, you could also, put that on here. Or if you had, an agent had a website, you can add those links in here. So it's a great place for, potential buyers to come to not only just look at this particular property, but maybe your other properties that that you have. So those are the property websites. So I'm going to click back into the marketing kit here and jump back into the client portal. The client portal, of course, this is where you would see all the marketing kit and how you would download your photos, things of that nature. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit more. You'll notice you can get straight to the Zillow 3D home tour from here as well. So any type of special links that are embedded will be shown here. Here's some flyers, some printable materials. So you'll notice there's an edit button under a few of these flyers. These are only two of the options, but there's multiple options of flyers that you can choose from. But you'll notice if I click on edit here, you can change the type of photos that are on here. You can hide the list price, change the text color, things of that nature. You can print and save straight from here. And this one had a floor plan, so you can also download the floor plans from here. If you scroll down even more, here's the social media tiles I mentioned earlier. There's quite a few to choose from. There's just listed here. There's this won't last long, new listing. There's a couple different versions of a few. And again, you'll notice you can also edit these as well. Change your picture. You can change the text to match your brand. Text color again. And again, pretty easy. All you have to do is come in here, click of a button, change what you need, hit the save button, and all you have to do is download the photo. And you can share these on any social media platform of your choosing, whatever is going to get you the most reach, and find the buyer that's you're looking for. So we'll scroll down and check out a few different options here. So open house, sold, definitely want to show that. You have a couple you can get creative on, and there's some that are pre-built just for Facebook and Pinterest here as well. If you scroll down at the last part here, these are the social media videos. There are two different types. They are the teaser videos, which are shorter in length, that you can share, and they're going to be 20-30 second snippets that go really fast through a slideshow of the photos for that property. You also have a longer version that's going to be branded and unbranded, so you can share either one. So, like for this one here, we're talking 3 minutes. And again, this is going to be a slideshow of the photos with some movement associated with it as well. So you can play them straight from here and get a little preview. And you can also download the MP4 right here as well. And again, share them anywhere you would like to share them. You can also edit any of these as well if you click the edit button. So these are, again, you can all edit straight from the client portal. So that's the marketing kit. It can be a very powerful tool for for the price. It's a great return on investment. And again, you can pick and choose when you want to be able to do this, but if you want to get out, you want to reach your buyers, you want to really make your listing stand out, and not only just your listing, it's how are you as an agent setting yourself apart from other people. You walk into a presentation to try to win a listing, even, and say, look, these are the power. This is the options that I have. This is the power that I can give to this property to get this thing sold. Marketing kit is a great way to be able to do that. Got any questions? Give us a call at 217-522-3117 or send us an email at info@exposurerealestatemedia.com. We'll be happy to answer any questions and walk through a presentation on the marketing kits to see how they can help you.